everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Ashtin Olvega. So this is the official music video of Sa Bawat Sandali. Wala silang teaser na linabas dito, no? Kasi parang wala akong nakita ng teaser na linabas nila dito. So I cannot wait to watch the sad official music video. This is not like a cover only, but an unofficial music video. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Wait, ito na. Oh, Viva Records pala ito. Hala, wait lang. I'm really sorry ha. I don't usually compare. Pero nang narinig ko yung boses ni Ashtin dito, it feels like I'm listening to the voice of Bel Mariano as well. Sa totoo lang. There's nothing wrong about that ha. Okay, don't get me wrong. It's just like may similarity lang. Yung lamig, yung timbre, parang gano'n. Ganda. Grabe yung low notes niya. One thing that I really love about the singers, they can execute. Mako-consider ko talaga na magaling ang isang singer kung he can nail her low notes or his low notes, because executing low notes is more difficult rather than hitting the high notes. Kasi pag low notes talaga, you have to deliver it properly. You have to something like enunciate the words of the lyrics, clear enunciate the song, should I say. Ay, no. Ayun yung low notes niya dyan, no? Nakaka-amaze lang. Babae naman siya doon. Babae naman siya doon. Ay, grabe yung low notes niya talaga. Wow! Ang hirap nun. Ang hirap nun, I swear. Parang hinihili ako ng kanta niya. Okay. She's so pretty, no? Imagine, tapos kasama niya si ano? Kasama niya si... Ay, ganda. Wow. Ganda ng boses niya. Kalmado lang. Okay. Grabe yung dynamics ng boses niya dito. Seryoso, na-amaze talaga ako sa dynamics ng boses niya. Walang eme. It's just like, alam mo yung parang nag-rising falling sa intonation, nag-rising falling siya, taas baba. Tapos yung low notes niya talaga, na-amaze ako. Oh, ito talaga yung payapa na totoo. Ang ganda pa ng color grading. Oh my God, she's so pretty, oh. She's so pretty, no? Grabe yung low notes niya. Ang kalmado naman ito. Oh my God. Ganda. Hala, parang may in love ako kay Ashtin. Jeez. Ay, kaninong kamay? Kay Kiefer yun. Kay Kiefer yun na kamay. Malaki. What do you think? Kay Kefi ba yun? Parang slow, ano no? Slow yung kanta. Eh? Wow! Ang ganda naman yun, Ash. Ay, tapos na? Ano ba? Ay, 7 minutes na pala to. Anyways, wait lang, baka naman hindi pa tapos. Tapos na nga. Okay. Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video sa Bawat Sandali by Ashtin Olviga official music video. I love it. Ang ganda, kalmado. Napaka-kalmado. Very orgasmic. Paka-orgasm. This is Katie Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!